Hello there, welcome to Ancysartistry. Thank you for joining me for another pour painting video. Today I've decided to do a Dutch pour with earthy tones. So I have brown shades, and for the base I'm going to be using a split base, which is two colors, but they are very similar. So I'm going to use white for the top part of the canvas, and this white is mixed with teeny bit of burnt umber to make a light, very light brown that I'm going to be using on the bottom side. So it's going to be a split base, and for layering I'm going to use burnt umber, Dyke Brown, gold, and a little bit of black. So that's the plan. I want to have a negative space on the top portion of the canvas and a little bit of extra blowout on the bottom side. All the paints that I'm using today are mixed with Floetrol and water, and all of them have similar consistency. As usual, I use 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and a little bit of water. I go back and do the drip test and readjust the amount of water, making sure that all of them flow kind of similarly. All right, so that's the test I go by before I use all these paints. So my paints are ready, canvas is ready. Let's get this painting started. All right, base paint is down. Popping these air bubbles. All right, let's start layering the paints. So like I said, I'm going to go where these two colors meet, start layering, and then just make an additional line over here. All right, starting with Dyke Brown. All right, let me put this one more time. Next I have Mars Black. Next I'm using gold. I want to use Dyke Brown one more time because I think I have a lot of black there. And then the last color is burnt umber. Bit more. All right. Not too sure if I need to add a little bit more of the base. Maybe just a little bit. Bit more white. All right. Again, popping the air bubbles. All right, let's blow this one out. Think I needed a little bit more brown on the other side. Ooh, nice. Color combination is superb. I'm going to put a little bit more paint here and try and make this part a little beautiful. Wow. All right, let's go fix that part. I think I started with Dyke Brown. And black. Think I need to get rid of the straight line here. I'm going to erase this thing right here. Wow, this one turned out really beautiful. Nice cells, not a whole lot, nothing is taking over. The brown is really superb. I really love this base color as well. A lot of negative space on the top of the canvas, which is what I wanted, and then extra blowout. I've done similar kind of blowouts before with purple, which is actually my favorite, actually violets, and then red, I've done a green, and I've done a blue too, which is also my favorite. All right, looks good. I don't think, maybe let me check the edges. They all look like they fixed themselves. All right, time to get you down. Here is the close-up. Enjoy this beautiful. It turned out really beautiful. I love the light mocha base. I did not expect it to be that beautiful, but looks great. I love the addition of the black as well into the blowout. It gives a pop because the base is really light. Look at all these cells as well. Beautiful. I like how this white turned out here. Looks like the white is pushing the brown. Really nice. Can't wait to see how this one dries. If you've enjoyed this painting, please do hit that thumbs up button and please consider subscribing to support my art channel. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Happy pouring.